Well, finally, our home interiors are now complete. So let's take a look. There's my wife relaxing on the sofa. So to start with, we have this mini camera and Ganeshji to welcome everyone. The new sofa set, lights, curtains, these two paintings. Then here we have the dining table, our fridge, etc., crockery almiras. We also have a mirror. Please, sorry for the mess with my hair. And then we have storage space over here, some items for decoration, my favorite painting or art, whatever you want to call it, some more art. Then we have the Gita, our holy book, a hippo, which will be filled up with toffees, etc. Lots of snacks to eat. Here's our kitchen. We've already had our dinner as we have our dinner by usually 7 p.m. So it's squeaky clean over here. Again, a look at the whole place from a different angle. Now we move towards the first bedroom, which is a guest bedroom. Very minimal right now. We plan to have a few more things over here. Uh, then moving on to the next one, which is the master bedroom. We have a very, very beautiful view from outside. These doors and windows. Oh yeah, I got these lights. I really like them. See, you just touch them and they go on or off. A huge washroom, TV, etc. And let's see if I can show you some view of outside. We have a whole big balcony. Sorry for the mess. We dry our clothes over here. And then this room is a mix of everything. It can be made into a guest room with the sofa come bed. It also acts as a gym room for me. This is also our office, and we also have our mandir where we pray every day over here. This room also has a balcony, but again, I'm using it for my exercise purposes with some gym equipment out there. So, yeah, this is our overall home. I would love to know how you find it to be. Do you like it? Do you like the color combination and everything? Please drop your comments. I'd be looking forward to knowing all of your thoughts.